you put the red wire in the positive, black wire negative. Starting the breadboard, you get the red wire through the positive, black wire through the negative, red wire through the positive, red LED connecting to the resistor to spread the current, cable connecting to the negative wire so the current goes full circle through here and then out the other side. Red wire flows through into the yellow bulb LED, then through the resistor into the second red LED, finally going out back into the other side through the negative charge, making it a full circle. Built notes on the schematic related to breadboard. Related schematic featuring the battery and the switch. Rail sockets come up along the center, connecting from the positive to negative wires. And current flows through positive through the LED resistor, next LED out through the negative. It's shown here with the two LEDs. Second one will be added now for bypass. Second resistor added and can be bypassed with the switch. This cable here, cable bypass here, and then when you remove this cable, it comes back on.